We started our journey to bring the most premium ceiling ideas from the interior world into your homes, institutions, offices, and commercial spaces across India. Stretch ceilings, which were first invented in the year 1967 in Europe, has gained its popularity across world. India would like to give you an insight into the interesting world of creative ceilings. We produce our stretch ceilings with stringent quality checks, and every ceiling goes through an inspection to ensure highest standards of quality. Building a network of partners across various cities in India and teaching them how to properly install our ceilings. On an average, we produce 15,000 to 20,000 square feet of stretch ceilings every month and still just can't get enough. We have an in-house creative design and architect team to help give vision to your dreams and ideas. Although our most popular ceilings are integrated with lighting solutions, we can produce any kind of ceilings that our clients desire. Ceilings with pictures and patterns, mirror ceilings, optical fiber ceiling, ceilings of any shape and size. Be it a commercial outlet, retail space, institution, office, or even your home, we can brighten it up with an exciting range of design and lighting solutions. Our ceilings are already installed in major commercial outlets, government organizations, and premium showrooms across India. And we are working closely with major interior and architect firms across India to provide the best customizable ceiling and lighting solutions to your spaces. Only 2 to 3 companies in India produce stretch ceilings from certified materials with warranties like we do. And we are capable of producing ceilings much faster than most companies do. We also offer creative products including 3D epoxy flooring and customizable wall graphics to cover your wall and floor based on your imagination. We believe in building the best without limit or compromise and have undertaken many difficult and complex projects that serve as a testimony of our work. We have a proven track record of executing projects on time and delivering with utmost client satisfaction. In the coming years, we plan to increase our installation and service partnerships, expand our production capacity, and continue to improve. We are happy to give you a sight of our fascination and hope to partner with you in your future projects.